A very good morning to all of you. This is the third introductory class of Standard 11 BST. So, let me introduce you today in the third class to your business studies books. So, this is one book that we are going to have in business studies. This is the textbook for class 11 NCRT. So, this is what we are going to use, and we can have the side books, but not now. We need to purchase this. This is having all the contents that is required for standard 11. So let us see what are the contents in the this book. Okay, so that is what are the chapters in this book. So the first one, nature and purpose of business. What is the business like, and what is the purpose, why business is being made. Then forms of business organization or types of business organization. Then private, public and global enterprises. Then business services. Then emerging modes of business, the modern kind of business we'll talk about here. Then we'll talk about social responsibility of business and business ethics. What is the responsibility of business towards the society? This is what we'll do in this chapter. Next, we'll be talking about formation of a company. So, how a company is being made. You must be hearing about various types of companies. So, what is the process by which these companies are made? And next, we'll be doing is business finance. That is, how will the finance be given to these companies? How do they start with a certain finance? Then we'll be talking about the small business, which is very important for our country. We have a number of small business, and we will talk about the various types of small business here. We'll talk about internal trade, then international business, that is, we'll talk about imports, we'll talk about exports, how to do imports, how to do exports, what is the process. So, all these things we are going to do. That is international business 1 and international business 2. So, this is a glimpse of what we have to do in this session. So, this is it. I think it is clear. Now today children, I will just do the revision of again very important thing that you have done in your previous classes, but it is just a revision that we have to do because we'll be needing it in these chapters. Okay, so let us see what is it. So this is the three sectors of economy. So you must have done this. The economic sectors can be divided into three. So economy is divided into three sectors. What are they? The primary, the secondary and the tertiary. So you can have a look at this. This is the primary sector, the secondary sector and the tertiary sector. So these are the three sectors of the economy mainly, and it is divided based on the job that we are doing. So let us see what is the primary sector or primary industry. Jobs that comes from natural resources. So any kind of jobs that we are doing out of natural resources, we are directly dealing with natural resources like fishing, mining, forestry, farming, directly dealing with natural resources. So this is what is a primary industry. That is when the jobs are directly related to natural resources. It can be the extraction, it can be animal breeding, it can be farming, anything that is directly related to natural resources. So what is a primary industry? The examples we can see here. So we can see coal mining, oil drilling, farming, fishing, forestry. So these are all primary industries. So primary industry is when natural resources are extracted directly from the earth or sea. So this is what is the primary sector look like. So these are few examples we have taken here. You can see this fishing here. You can have a look at this. This is fishing here. Then we are having mining here, and then we are having the farming here. So this is fishing, farming and mining is a part of your primary sector. So you can have a look at this. So people are fishing, the fisherman has done his fishing, then the mining, and these are all related to natural resources that is easily available. Now another clip you can see here, this is the person raising crops. Okay, so these are a part of the farm. Then you are having grazing of animals, then the flower industry here, beautiful garden we can see here. So these are all directly related to natural resources, and therefore it is the primary sector. So any kind of job which is directly related with natural resources is your primary sector. Now we come to the secondary sector. Secondary sector, jobs that take natural resources and turn them into something else. The secondary sector uses the resources from the primary sector, natural resources from the primary sector, and turns it into something else. Like when you are using the chips packet, okay, you are using a Lay's chip, you are consuming Lay's chip, Uncle chips, all these things. So when it was a potato, when the farmer was raising a potato in the farm, that was a primary sector directly related to the natural resources. However, when the potato comes to the factory and chips are being made, that is food processing industry, and then it is sold, that is your secondary sector. So that is your secondary industry. So we use natural resources and we turn them into something else. So what are the examples here? Manufacturing plants. Here plants means children factory. Okay, so manufacturing factories or companies, factories, and processing plants, that is processing factories. So you can see the next clip here where we will explain much more. Secondary industry processes raw material into finished goods. Products are manufactured into goods that are substantially different from the original material. So the potato was absolutely different, and now the chips that is made and packed is absolutely different. So goods are worth more. So the cost of the potato that came from the farm was less, but when it is being packed and processed, now the value of this potato chips has increased. So this is the goods are worth more, that is value is added to the goods that comes from the primary sector. So you are having all these things. Okay, so manufacturing, construction, etc., food processing, etc. So you can see here the clip here, you are having a lady, she is in the food processing industry, she is working there. You have the car industry here, manufacturing of car here, then construction of building here, then all kinds of material are being that is used, maybe it is manufacturing of steel here. Okay, so this is what is your secondary sector that looks like. Okay, so let us come to the tertiary sector. Now tertiary sector, the third sector, that is jobs where people help others or offer their services, like the doctors, lawyers, teachers, dentists, etc. So these are jobs where people are offering their services. So this is what is a tertiary sector. So next we can just have a look at this secondary. Here we are having the sector, tertiary sector. You can see healthcare, you're having law, you're having banking, retail, restaurant, transport, and distribution. So in the restaurant, when you go, you are being given the services by the waiter. So these are service sectors. Banking is another service sector. It does not give you any product, but it is a service sector. It gives you services of various kinds. It keeps the banker keeps your money safe, helps you to increase your money, gives special advices, etc. So this is it, children. So this is the primary sector, secondary, and that is the manufacturing sector, and the service sector, that is the tertiary sector. So you can see the examples here. In the primary sector, you're having the fishing, farming, mining; manufacturing sector, the car factory, brewery, flour mill; and the service sector, that is banking, retail shops, restaurants, etc. So this is it, children. This is the basics that you should know about. And in the next class, we will be discussing you about the pattern of question paper that you are supposed to know before we begin with the class. So how you should study and what is the pattern of questions, so that will be in your fourth introductory class. And we'll talk about two more sectors there, that is the public sector and the private sector, which I think again you are knowing a bit of it. Okay, so thank you to all of you. Have a nice day. Thank you, children.